With linear functions, you're going to get lots of story problems, so let's walk through one. So we've got at the beginning of the storm, a pond was 16 centimeters deep. During the storm, the depth increased by 1.5 centimeters every hour for 8 hours. All right, so first off, let's write this as a linear function. So I'm going to have f of x equals, notice that it started out at 16 centimeters deep, so that's going to be my y-intercept because that's its starting point. And then during the storm, the depth increased by 1.5 centimeters every hour. So that's going to be my slope. So that 1.5 will be my slope because that's how much it's increasing every hour. So my graph will look like, so I've got 0, 16 for my y-intercept, and then I'm going to go up 1.5 and then over 1. So it'll be about there, and then I can keep going with my graph. So up another 1.5 over 1. Then all your points should line up. So I'm just going to do a few more points here, and then you can draw your line. So make sure you guys know how to write these. That is not a straight line, sorry guys. Make sure you know how to write these as functions. Okay, so linear functions, and it'll make your graphing a lot easier. Let me know if you have any questions.